attended your this class. The best example, with the best example, we are giving so many ideas of subjects. Very pre-primary stage is elaborated subject is here. In my service, at least is a 30 years of service is there. I have seen so many publishers. I met so many publishers, owners also, representatives. I think this today I want to spend some more time with that thought. But simply it explained that we don't know how to speak. We are trying, but with the two words we make so many sentences. We are practicing means we can speak. Now we got some courage means that idea and ideology. In the very thankful you are given not only for our children also you are helped with these books.